In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kucoin API key. This process is perfect for beginners who are just starting out, and it should take no more than 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Kucoin website. This is the central hub where everything related to your Kucoin account will happen, including the process of setting up an API key. So, once the website is loaded, the next thing you'll need to do is log in. If you're not already logged in, look for the Login button, which is usually in the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. Here you'll need to look for your profile section. Now, typically, this might be represented as an icon of a person, or it might just say Profile. Click on your profile to bring up a new menu. This is where you'll have access to various account management options, one of which is the API management section. With your profile menu open, go ahead and click on API management. This will take you to the page where you can create, view, and manage your API keys. The API key essentially allows you to interact programmatically with the Kucoin platform, which is beneficial for automated trading strategies or for those who prefer to monitor their portfolios using third-party applications. On the API management page, you're looking for the option to create a new API. There will be a button labeled Create API. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to provide some necessary details. Be sure to select an appropriate name for your API key, something that clearly defines its purpose or usage. It might be useful to name it something memorable, especially if you plan to create multiple keys for different purposes. Next, you'll need to specify the API's permissions. This step is crucial because it determines what access level your API key will have to your Kucoin account. You can usually choose between options like read-only, trade, or transfer funds. Make sure you select the permissions that best suit your needs while keeping your account secure. Once you've filled in these details, there should be another Create API button at the bottom of this page. Click that and you're almost done. You might be asked to confirm your action through email or with a two-factor authentication code, depending on your account security settings. Follow those prompts, and once you've confirmed everything, your new API key will be generated. And there you go. You've now created a Kucoin API key. Be sure to store your key securely. Remember, these keys allow significant access to your account, so protect them like you would any sensitive information. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!